Assalamu alaikum. This is the science lecture of 2 class. Open page number 26. Today we are going to start unit number 4. The name of unit number 4 is our senses. What are senses? Senses are things that helps an animal or human to notice things around it. हमारे इर्द गिर्द जितनी भी चीज़ें हैं, हमारे माहौल में जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, उसका पता हमें हमारी सेंसेस से होता है. And how many senses we have? Students, we have 5 senses. Sight, sound, smell, taste and touch are 5 senses. Each one of them is important. We have 5 senses. One is sight, sound, smell, taste and touch. Sense organs. Sense organs are body parts that helps in senses, that helps to feel in senses. Eyes. Eyes are the body parts that help in sight. Ear. Ear is the sense organ that helps in sound. Nose. Nose is the sense organ that helps in smell. Tongue. Tongue is the sense organ which senses taste. Hands. Hands are the sense organs that helps in touch. So, our 5 senses are sight, sound, smell, taste and touch. And our 5 sense organs are eyes, ear, nose, tongue and hands. Your senses are important because they protect you. Our senses are very important क्योंकि ये हमारी हेल्प करती हैं, हमें बचाती हैं खतरे से. Your eyes help you see where you are going. हम किस तरफ जा रहे हैं, किस साइड को जा रहे हैं, इसमें हमारी आईज हमें हेल्प करती हैं. और इसमें हम अपनी साइट मतलब कि देखने की सेंस यूज़ करते हैं. Oops, I was not looking where I was going. He is saying that he is not using his sight sense, that's why he was not looking where he was going. Your ears help you hear when things are coming towards you. जब कोई चीज़ आपकी तरफ आ रही होती है, मसलन कोई गाड़ी वगैरह, तो उसकी साउंड हम सुनते हैं और उस साउंड को यूज़ करते हैं. हमारी ईयर्स हेल्प करते हैं कि कोई चीज़ सामने आ रही है और हमने उसके आगे नहीं जाना, उससे पीछे हटना है. तो इस तरह हमारी सेंसेस हमें प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं और दे आर वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. Your nose helps you smell things like smoke. हमारा नोज हमें हेल्प करता है चीज़ों को सूंघने के लिए कि इसकी स्मेल कैसी है, इट्स स्मेल इज़ गुड और नॉट गुड. Your tongue senses when something is not good to eat. जब हम कोई चीज़ खाते हैं उसका जायका अच्छा नहीं होता या खाते दौरान किसी चीज़ में कोई कंकर वगैरह आ जाता है, तो इस सेंस को फील हमारी टंग करती है. एंड दिस सेंस इज कॉल्ड टेस्ट. Your sense of touch means you do not pick up things that are too hot or too sharp. जब कोई चीज़ बहुत गर्म होती है, बहुत ठंडी होती है, बहुत तेज़ होती है, तो हमारी जो सेंस ऑफ टच है वो हमें बताती है दिस इज़ वेरी हॉट, दिस इज़ वेरी कोल्ड, सो वी हैवंट टच इट. हम उसको पकड़ नहीं सकते. सो in this way our senses help us, in this way our senses protect us. Discussion point: how could the sense of sight protect someone? How could the sense of smell protect someone? How could the sense of touch protect someone? How could the sense of hearing protect someone? How could the sense of taste protect someone? These are some questions, and what we have read now, these are their questions, and you have to give answer of these questions. Learning is fun. Give two examples of how your sense protect you. Your senses also allow you to experience things that are good to experience. Write down 5 things that you like to see. Write down 5 things that you like to hear. Write down 5 things that you like to smell. Write down 5 things that you like to taste and to touch. You will give their answers by yourself. Let's come to notes. What are senses? Which are your sense organs? Write down the names of 5 senses. Why senses are important? Give 2 examples of how your senses protect you. Give an example that how could the sense of sight protect someone? How could sense of smell protect someone? How could sense of touch protect someone? How could sense of hearing protect someone? How could sense of taste protect someone? And these are some questions, you will give their answers by yourself. So students, this is the lecture about our senses, and we have read that senses are things that helps an animal to notice things around it. And we have 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, taste and touch. And we have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and hands. Senses are very important because they protect us. Our eyes helps us where we are going. Our ear help us to hear things that are coming to us, and our nose help us to smell things like smoke. Our tongue senses when something is not good. Our sense of touch means you do not pick up things that are too hot or too sharp. These are our 5 senses. I hope you will understand. Thank you.